Remakeup da aju kamataya paubing. Manipur wi polling stations turugli repol sakhavai recommend sahira. Community engagement program li ngsoda NPF candidate wi campaign Ukrul town li kwikahira. Lake Yangutor, Achu the Tangkul Express we bow range Pemerza in a Pamidale, bow being Mesa in a Nang Rumsa. Road Kamerad Gala, Makamushung, Shogahain, Maram Sada, Munipur polling stations to Rugli Repol Sakhavai recommend Sahira. Munipur Joint Chief Electoral Officer Ramananda Nongmaikabam, the Election Commission of India Secretary Li, Gabivada Gahang, polling stations Kaikawi voting Kulishit Kaji Dargar Sahira. GT Jilik Soda Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency Returning Officer na Gabi Kushok Maram La Hangsanga. Repol Dagar Saya Gaji polling stations Pingji 3/11 Moirang Kambu Sajep Upper Primary School, Chili Mob Violence Chokawa 5/31 Kongman Zone 5 Lila Yari Rot Kamrat Chokawa 10/1 Iraisemba Upper Primary School, Eastern Wingli Mob Violence Shong 10/6 Iraisemba Upper Primary School, Western Wingli Yarina, CU, BU, Kala, Vivipet, Sakyang Mihao, 10/7 Iraisemba Upper Primary School, Middle Wing Lila, CU, BU, Kala, Vivipet Sakai Hao, 18/22 Kaidam Makalila, Mob Violence na, Sheikut Hawachi. Hangda Kalay polling stations Pingjili, Kanmed Kami, Mushun Mukui Aina, Masa to the Mupung Pada. Sami Kawai polling Nguran Milishit Kawai Pohaira. Tangkul Community Empowerment Sang Kawai Kala, Kokakasa Aina Kapa Kangaje, Kura Kawai da, Aya Ukrul Town Li, Tangkul Music Forum Li Ngishikta, Mukok Kami, Community Engagement Program Kwikahira. Kazipji Ukrul Headquarters Ground, Wino Bazar Li Kwikaya. Event Chi Outer MP Candidate Kajui Timothy Zimikli, Kakudom NPF Kala, Group Ngata Kangajon Mida, Kasana Kala, Chithada Sada Apam Atam Chi Elections Campaign Apong Lat Ngasaya. Kazip Chili, Minister Kashim Bashum, Minister of Transport and Veterinary, D. Dibugang May Chairman Hill Areas Committee, Pungyer Emile Leshio Kaishing, former Manipur Legislative Deputy Speaker, BJP spokespersons Prisho Eshimre, former Ukrul MLA candidate Somtai Shai Zagala, Achi NPF candidate Li, Kudom the Kalay, political parties Nadade the Wi, Mibing Wazanga. Minister Kashim Bashumna, Kamatuli, Timothy Zimigwi, patriotism, Kala, the drag high atomli anadargar Gasali, Nujon Migahai, Mutailak Aina, Metro Cities Li, Kabombing Li, Otbom, employment upon Aina, Nujon Migahai, Maramli Hangsanga. NPF candidate we Prevu Pungam Lazimik Nala, Yaru we Gakutom Nagauda, Timothy Nagapa Kangaje, Kwirami Kawai Gasa, Ningrin Alungli, Ningtit the Kalay Hangsanga. Kazip Jili Tangkul music artists Featherheads, Oshim, Remnu, Not Funny, Rockshot Zangda artist, Ngada Lumkalau, Kwiramia. Kazip Jili Ukrul Manipur, Chongfu Wivang Hotnada Lagichi, Minister Vishumna Hangsangda, Yarui Patience Kala, Kagutom Mikavai Pohera. 18 Lok Sabha elections Manipur polling phase Kare Kupsang Uda, Kakane Wivang Kangran Sahira. Ukrul polling phase, Kakane Hili Zangda, Tarik Mugada Turuktang Sankidale. Jiwi Kangran Sada, Ukrul District Election Office na, reserved polling officers Pingwi, training room Mihaira. Training G Ukrul Higher Secondary School li Ngran Mida China Kanawa Patch Ngsaya G. Atumna polling ot ngurut Saran theory la otsak ainala damjitay haira. EVM, VVPAT handling, mock polls, forms 17A, 17B, 17C, Jibuik sang presiding officer wi, diary kahai hikatahi damjitay haira chi. Ayawi training chi polling officers Hangjishata Chikoli Mia, Jiwing Jaili, Mukada Kanina Shinau, Hangtruk the Shinla Mirnauna. 44 Ukrul ST SC Aina 45 Chingai ST SC Wang District Election Office Sector Officers Tradajiko Gala Micro Observers Mukada Aka Gapangkui Hairada DIO we Aina Pau Mishoka Manipur we polling face Kareli State na Security Mupung Pada Mahai Kamiwang Imagi Merena condemn Sahira Elections li Rod Kamrat Shogahai Jili Makamiya Pongshokta Imagi Meirawi Convener na Kahang Election hi ethnic conflict Leida Kalaytungli Rangata Satuda Richum Naubingna Fundamental Democratic Rights Musampangla Kalay Ang Red hi Zakshimay Ngsakachi Itumli Kahab Kamachit Malayla Kanmed Maming Sak Aka Jingri Kahai Apong Aina Itumwi Values Katada Uphol Sarakalada Anhang Sanga Elections Rod Kamrat Chili BJP Manipur Pradesh President A. Sarda Devi Nala Ninka Kshak Pongshoka Otshot Chili condemns Sada electoral proceedings Sheikhood Ping Chili Kataka action Kwikavai Shardana demand Sahira Manipur State with Democracy Aina Integrity Hakmaikap Kachi Threat Musung Dalayda INC candidate Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akwajamna Hangkamatin Aina Soda Ninka Creek Pongshok Haira Inner Manipur constituency Shong Kanmet Kasang Atamli Makamushung Kasa electoral fraud Kambajit Kala authorities na Yangsang Ran Miyang Kamili Bimol na Mringapa Pongshoka Polling phase Kareli Shogahaiji free and fair elections Leiran Mishun Namshanmi Kahaina da Kudlai Kasingbing voters Bingli Kajipat Dr. Akwajam na condemn Sai Kala Achayarili Chipata Kalay La Kambajit Chi Kuki Naubing na Maning Manada INC candidate China Machan Sanga Makamashung hi Shok Sailala Kibana Petroids Kajanga Kibana Maikani Aina Zatli Kachi Mupong Shok Drang Laka Aina Tangda Bimol Contest Basara Ning Shing Lada Lakachi Hangda Konitot Katam now Shinau San La Ngalali Lake Shipping Saigoran Shokta Kalay Hiteda Muchukazag Laga Jikata Makamashung Jili Ninka Kavai Bimol Nakau Haira Ajahon polling zim shotang Kiyam gay maning laikai polling station li Kajikata Mipingda party agent li Kamachit lay hawada Chiwi Aina INC candidate kala police officer Kanganang Shoka Authorities na Matada Mayang Kamyuvang Blungvata Bimol Shiwi agent li Shokangisak la Kamachit Atam li authority yang sangran Kisabam Sakala Bimol na Kanghan Sai Elections Mushun Mukui Aina Makasa Maramli, former Chief Minister Okram Ibobinala Mutishoka. 18 Lok Sabha election hi free and fair Masatuwa Kala, Manipurli armed miscreants Pingna, proxy voting Kasahi, Terashum Haira da Ibobina Hangsanga. Tobal Emile Ibobina Kahang, India Gata Democratic Ngalay Hili, election si Zingum Pangawi Tili Akashida Karana Kala, Misai Gorali Kanmet Kasang Mushunji Mingayiya. Election Commission na notice kamili nghan kada Eastern Nagaland People's Organization we indefinite total shutdown ngisam haira. Elections sana nai tarik trada jishat ngzin we aina ENPO na shorgarli mring pa jitheda districts to rugli adamma kagla shutdown hapok haira kasana. Otsak China Lok Sabha elections polling li Sheikhud hauda shutdown kangawao jiwi kangi makangi Election Commission na kanghan sada short coast notice miya. Pau Atishura, districts Turuk, Tunsang, Mon, Longleng, Kafire, Noklakala, Shamatorwi voter, turnout 0% inang Raichai. The Morung Express Atishura, Hangda Kalay districts Pinghili, Nagaland we, 3.3 lakh voters Kalena, Eastern Nagaland People's Organization Tanda, Statehood Kapo, Mayang Sang Kamiwang, Union Shorgarli, Mringapa, Jiteda Kalena. Ka group China Kahang, indefinite total shutdown Kasaji disturbance kala, anti-social elements Udang Kawai Kasanachi. Nagaland na polling phase Kareli Zangda, direct Chadachiko Tang vote Sang Kahaina. Nagaland we Akamangachi Lok Sabha Ngapam we polling turnout 56.91% Shikara Hanga. Myanmar Shong Rod Kamarat na Maram Sada meeting Kalangda Thailand Shong Yambahira. Ayang Zin officials Pau Atishura East Myanmar Shong we aina mi Tinka Shagatum Shika Thailand li Yambahira Kalaji border town li Kangarer Shokta Kalawi Wangna Myanmar wi Mayawadi Township Richum Naubing Kong Maganda Thailand wi May Sot Town Tak Province li Kahira Ajahon Hapta current ethnic minority na Myanmar Army wi outpost kala Maiwati Abamli Bazangashap Sampangda Chu Aina Mirada Kalena Ayang Tor current guerrillas na Myanmar troops li attack kasa Shokliya Maiwati li Mangarup ka karer hi 2021 kum pangshap ngapai khui gahaya military wi swigada gahagwa ngasai rebels pingna khokhasada nguru kada Myanmar wi ping bangla gahai military ajagum tatraha gajang wi aina chodra phok gahaina ladlida aju khamataya pauping Manipur wi polling stations turugli repol sakhawai recommend sahira Community engagement program li ngsoda NPF candidate wi campaign Ukrul town li kwikahira Achu pau hiling jang haira pau ngna da khalai nu tum sai gorali ring pha kham haya jing shong sasterano